It looks like the market is down. We haven't seen a day with this much red. This was 10 to 11 trades in a row. Let's see what the market is looking like. Good morning. I woke up today feeling great and excited. I wanted to check in on futures. We're obviously on our way to get coffee. You guys know the morning routine. And we'll check in here on Yahoo Finance futures in a minute and kind of see where we're at heading into the day. It is currently 9:02. Okay, it looks like we're down right now. SPY, the Dow, the NASDAQ is all about 0.5% in the red. So if the whole market's down, that's really not a good sign. But I have said time and time again to not even look at pre-market or aftermarket because so much can happen. So currently going into the day, I'm in ticker symbol BX. BX longs, I've got 5,000 behind this position. I am slightly up. My other position is ticker symbol GOLD, which is down about 1%. So I'm not loving that, but we've got 25 minutes until open, and like I said, who knows what's gonna happen when that bell actually rings. All right, got the order. Double shot, dirty chai latte. Now, what an amazing summer I've had, but it went by so fast. I know I wasn't vlogging for like 4 months, but guys, you missed out. I took a trip to the Hamptons. Spent a week there, stayed in a beautiful house. And then if that wasn't enough, I also did a Europe trip, which was really fun. You guys know that was something I wanted to do, something I'm gonna definitely be doing more, but it is always sad, you know, when summer kind of comes to an end. Wow. All right, so we've just been selling off throughout this morning. It is currently 10:07, and I just took a loss. So I am definitely glad that I got out of this position. Followed my trading plan. You know, it sucks to take losses. That is part of trading. It sucks to be in drawdown, but that is also part of trading. You can't panic. You can't go ahead and say,
hey, maybe what I'm doing is just, it stopped working.
No. Take a data and analytical driven approach. Look at your numbers, see if there are adjustments to make. If necessary, maybe the right thing to do is just sit on your hands and let things play out. And again, even though you might be in some minor drawdown, even though you might have gone on a 3, 4, 5 trade losing streak, focus on the end of the quarter and on the end of the year goal. When I was on an amazing winning streak, I believe this was 10 to 11 trades in a row, and I was just crushing it. And then, you know, the losers, they set in, and they'll get to you. But you got to remember to stick to your plan, trust the process, trust the system that you've built out. Don't skip or don't jump between different strategies, different styles. Like, you guys have to let your trading systems play out. Now, I know these are all easy things to say, but I'm trying to practice what I preach. And again, I'm just sticking to my plan. I'm showing you guys, I'm sharing this with you all. I want it to be transparent. You guys need to know that trading is challenging. It's very difficult. It's not easy. If it was, obviously everyone would do it. However, we have to optimize for profit. If I see that the majority of my trades are hitting 15% profit, well, then I'm gonna make that adjustment in my trading plan ahead of time and then see how that adjustment affects my win rate overall and affects my profitability. I just passed a school bus. That totally just reminded me. This is the first day of school. Most people my age are in college right now. I'm 22. My senior year, I moved to LA, and I lived in LA by myself. And now fast forward, it's been 4+ years living just this crazy life. I'm saying this because I want to motivate you. This is possible for anyone.
Everybody has a turn back moment. You have a moment where you can go forward or you can give up. But the thing you have to keep in mind before you give up is that if you give up, the guarantee is it will never happen. The only way the possibility remains that it can happen is if you never give up no matter what.
All right, guys, what a day that was. Unfortunately, no other trades came in, and I did end up just getting out of that one trade today on gold. Ended up taking the loss, as you guys saw. SPY though, I wanted to show you how drastic of a pullback this was. I mean, this was a massive move. SPY actually closing the day down around 2%. I mean, we haven't seen a day with this much red in quite some time. So, you know, we totally broke this range that we were trading in over the last week and a half, 2 weeks. We got really close to breaking highs at 560, 539, and I thought we were gonna get a little push there, but my job as a trader is to react to what the market gives me, not try to predict the market. Anyway, I ended up getting taken out. All right, I just want to show you guys that even after 8 years of trading, I myself am still staying up late into the night to grind it out, crunch some numbers, and make a game plan, especially when things aren't going well. So with that said, looks like I got my game plan dialed for tomorrow. I'm going to be going in with $15,000 per position. Now, essentially what this took was just a lot of data crunching, a lot of numbers. I ran through the last 2 years of historical data, and I just played with the risk to rewards, adjusting my target profit and my stop loss. And what I found was that, believe it or not, all the trades that I end up losing almost go against me immediately, and all the trades I end up winning go in my favor almost immediately. So if I just bring up my stop loss to negative 10%, set my target, which is open-ended at 15, I will let that run beyond 15. It should actually play out to where my win rate increases and I've optimized for profit. It seems like that should be the ideal risk-reward ratio, and then I bumped up my position size to 15,000, which is obviously triple the size that I've been trading over the last 2 weeks. But again, because of these adjustments and this new data, we're gonna see how that goes. Well, good morning. The market opens in 19 seconds. I am ready to have another good day. Hopefully, well, yesterday wasn't great, but today, let's hope it's gonna be a better day. I don't wanna hope. I think last night I sat down, I did the due diligence, right? I spent the time, I went through my data, and there goes the bell, to make a more informed, I guess, trading decision overall as to what my day and future weeks are gonna look like. And I'm talking, I went through, and I'm looking right now, there were 804 trades that hit one of my filters. That's since January 2021. That is how much data I'm working with. And then another 331 trades that hit my other filter. So over 1,000 trades in this data pool. All right, let's see what the market is looking like. It looks like the market is down, SPY is down 0.33, and I did go ahead and send out my pre-market watch list to the team over inside my mentorship group a little earlier this morning, covering 3 tickers that I'm gonna be keeping an eye on today. All of them are the ATH pullback setup that I teach. Let's check in on ticker symbol BH. Looks like we're down about 6.5%. BH is down 0.20 on the day. I'm gonna get out of this thing around negative 10% loss. Again, that's like fixed, so I'm saying around just because of slippage and the way options are priced, but I'm out at 10% on this one. So nothing crazy, but I'm very excited to actually start bumping up size, like I said, to $15,000 per position. However, I really wanted this year to be a year where I could break some records, and right now that's not gonna happen. With that said, I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna go grab some coffee. Market is already open, but I'm gonna take my laptop and I'm gonna go work from a coffee shop. I've got the notifications turned on my phone, so that means if any trade comes through on my software, I will be notified. All right, so no trades so far. It's just been a slow morning. It's currently 11:22. I gotta get some work done, and so keep you guys updated. All right, so it is 6:30 a.m. I'm up this early for a very good reason. Obviously, I did not end up taking any trades yesterday, or I would have filmed those for you guys. It is currently Thursday. This video I've been filming since Monday night. So I've got some big things planned for today, but they're gonna have to wait until the next vlog, which means that you have to be subscribed with your notifications on, ready to come see what happens next. So with that said, guys, I am gonna have to end this one here. Click the link in the description below if you want to learn how to trade yourself. And with that said, I will see you all in the next vlog. Later.